Welcome to this video. In this video, we will discuss models and theories. A review from prior unit. Economics is a study of how humans make decisions due to scarcity. Economics has two major subdivisions, micro and macroeconomics. Microeconomics focuses on the actions of individual agents in the economy, such as households, workers, and businesses. Macroeconomics, on the other hand, looks at the economy as a whole. It focuses on broader issues like growth, unemployment, inflation, government deficit, and levels of exports and imports. Economists analyzes issues and problems in the economy and offers solutions and explanations through theories and models. A theory is a well-tested hypothesis or explanation. It is a simplified representation of how two or more variables interact with each other. The purpose of a theory is to take a complex, real-world issue and simplify it down to its essentials. Model. A model is used for situations when it is known that the hypothesis has a limitation on its validity. It is a simplistic method using mathematics and other techniques created to show complex procedures. Let's use the circular flow model as an example of how the economy works. The circular flow model. People are both consumers and producers in this market. People and consumers live in households. Consumers will venture to the product market to buy goods and services. Firms will provide and sell goods and services in the product market. But firms will need resources to produce goods and services, so they will purchase and hire resources at the resource market, which households will provide. And here we have the circular flow model.